Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to private your Facebook chat. So how to private your Facebook chat is super easy. Once you're on Facebook, to private your chats and your chat notifications is super easy. All you have to do is look to the upper right hand side, and here you will find three dots for the options. Click on that. Now here you will be able to find incoming call sounds. You can turn it off if you don't want to have the sounds for incoming calls. You can toggle that feature off and you can choose how you want to turn it off. So if you want to turn it off for just an hour, you can click this option, or if you want to even do it until you're ready to turn it on again, you can choose this option and click and disable. The next thing that you can actually do here, as you can see, is to turn off your message sound. So if you're in a meeting and you don't want to have the sound when someone is basically messaging you, or you simply just don't want to have that at all for messages, you can turn off this feature as well. Alternative, you can always turn on your laptop volume, or you can put your computer on mute. But if you don't want to do that, but you just want to have the sound be managed from the Facebook app itself, you can go ahead and turn off this feature as well. Now, the pop-up message is something that is very important. I know a lot of people don't like when someone message them, the message will pop up. So what's going to happen is that you can turn off this feature so it does not automatically open a new chat message for you. And so you can manage things. Otherwise, you can manage to turn off this feature as well. Also, for your contacts, when you're on Facebook as well, your contacts will be shown. And so you can see all your people, or the people that you're in your contact list is going to show here. If you don't want that to be visible, you can always go ahead and click the three dots and click turn off show contacts. And it's going to hide them just like this. And that's it. That's how you go ahead and keep your Facebook chat private. Very easy and very simple, guys.